The BMW M Concept Neue Klasse was unveiled at the 24 Hours of Le Mans as a statement of intent for how motorsport will influence the design, technology, and character of upcoming cars from BMW M. Starting with the exterior, it has these powerful proportions with a muscular shoulder line and wide, flared wheel arches that give it that classic wide-body M stance. The front apron uses a trimaran-style bumper inspired by high-speed sailing boats, which structurally supports a massive front splitter. The rear is just as dramatic, with a ducktail spoiler, bold diffuser cutouts, and the same square lighting signature repeated at the back. On the topic of the interior, it also looks pretty close to production. It is a four-seater with four newly developed bucket seats that hug you tight, even when you are pushing hard on the track. Red accents highlight the M gear selector, the shift paddles on the M steering wheel, and the digital displays, keeping your eyes locked on performance. For the first time in an M vehicle, they are using high-quality black nubuck leather on the steering wheel, door panels, and even the roll bar. On the performance side, BMW has not yet published a final official horsepower number for the concept itself, so anyone claiming a fixed production output right now is jumping ahead of the facts. What BMW has confirmed is the direction, featuring a quad-motor layout, an 800-volt architecture, and M dynamic performance control handling torque distribution. Preview reporting adds that the battery is expected to be more than 100 kilowatt hours, but that figure is not yet an official BMW release number. We expect the production version of the Concept M Neue Klasse to be revealed later this year, as the M Performance division embarks on a new electrified journey.